What's up, guys? We're back.
Hey.
My name's Caleb.
I'm Nick.
And welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. Alright, so this is the new vehicle for the channel. This is a 1991 Jeep YJ, a Jeep Wrangler YJ, and we're gonna go over a couple of quirks and features of this bad boy. So we've been looking for the inline 6 4.0, which we did find. This does have it. It's a 5-speed manual. We'll start with the bad. The bad thing is that it needs a new master and slave cylinder. It shifts really poorly, but I think once we replace that, it'll be good. As you can see, there's plenty of rust. There's surface rust on these, but the frame definitely needs attention in a lot of places. It's really bad, but honestly, all the Jeeps that we're looking at in this price range, they're all this bad. So we will have videos about repairing frames and body work. Body is definitely rotted behind this. You know, there's weak spots in the pan. Nick, you want to show them what's under here?
Oh yeah, we got a little hole here.
Just a little one. Just a little bit. Those lines look really good though, right. Actually.
Perfect.
Yeah. Let's see what else. It's got, you know, some holes in the body here, holes in the door here. This is really weak, but all things that you would expect with a Jeep of this age. I don't know if I mentioned it. It's a 91. But let's go over some of the good things. So the good things is that it does have the inline 6, the 4.0, very reliable, 5-speed, four-wheel drive works fine. This is a fuel injected engine. Let's show it. So it's fuel injected. It's actually pretty dry. I didn't really notice any leaks. It comes with an aftermarket front roll bar. Comes with aftermarket lights, aftermarket fenders. These are actually pretty expensive. I don't know, what were you saying these go for? Like, I don't even know the market that well, but
like
500, something like that. So these are really beefy. Actually didn't like them at first, but I'm already in love with them. The wheels and tires are brand new. These are really good shape. We'll go on this side so you can see them better. Yeah. But yeah, so some nice setups there. The roll bar is the style that I wanted. The seat covers are nice, so that's good. We'll probably get new seats though. It's got an aftermarket center console, which is deep. It goes all the way to China. The interior is actually pretty intact. The front glass is intact. There's surface rust around, but like the glass itself is in phenomenal shape. Came with doors, came with a hardtop. Hardtop's actually in okay condition. Definitely got to fix some seals here, but overall there's like no holes in it. The glass works. There's no cracks in the glass. And probably the best part about this Jeep, other than it does have the it does have a 8.8 rear axle. Thank you. So that's a really good upgrade. It's a solid upgrade. So the value of all that put together is worth more than what we paid for the Jeep. And we got the Jeep for $1,500, which running, driving, we drove it here. It was a little bit rough, but I think we have quite a bit of budget left to turn this into something special. So if you guys are interested in Jeeps, definitely subscribe to the channel. Get my seatbelt on. If the seatbelt works. Okay, it does. Cool. Okay. Clutch. Nice, dude. I cannot believe it just starts right up. I thought for sure I thought for sure I would need to get a battery right off the bat.
All right. Dude, what is up with you? I don't know. Let it roll.
Trip?
Just let it roll back a tiny bit.
Huh?
I don't know. Just let it roll back. Oh, you're right. You can't.
What did you do? You did something with the clutch. I literally couldn't do anything. And you're like, oh, you got a half put in the clutch. Oh, whoa. Jesus, Murphy. So now it works. Okay.
I don't know what I did. I think it requires two pumps.
Oh, double clutching.
I think so.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm in now. There you go. Oh, the windshield wipers are sick. Oh,
They work?
I don't know. Sure do. I was trying to get the lights on, but
You got 'em?
oh, whoops.
Is it? Yeah. I'm gonna guide you, or are you good? Are you gonna be able to get out of here?
I don't know. We'll find out. How's the look?
Be careful. The brakes suck.
Oh, got no mirrors.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Whoops.
Oh,
All right. Well, we should be good. Hop in.
Oh boy, don't fall through the floor.
I'll try not to. It's easy to ignore with the floor mat there.
Yeah, it starts to move though.
My goodness.
Do I have a seatbelt thing?
Sure you do. You gotta have it. Jeep's got it all.
You're good.
So you're gonna be a great spotter for off-roading.
I would.
The first test. First test is getting out of the driveway. All right, so we gotta figure out this clutchy boy. Oh my God.
Rides like crap.
Yee-hee! Ha-ha!
Alright, you got this. No, 2 clutches. There
Okay.
you go. You got it.
Bye, buddy.
Woo!
Dang, dude.
Got a little squealing going on here.
Yeah, so rolling the gears is...
Didn't squeal the other day.
Now it squeals now, baby. Oh shoot, my heel just went through the floor. Oh my gosh, this thing is hilarious.
It's awesome.
I love it.
There we go.
It's the clutch. The clutch is making the noise while it's engaged. My foot's on the clutch now. All right, where should we go? Left, right?
We should go left.
Okay.
436.
Okay, so it won't go into first
Really?
now. Well, hold on. I'm gonna wait till I stop. I don't want to try
Yeah,
and force
you
it
gotta let go with the clutch. Oh, okay.
There it is.
Forward.
Oh man, it's weird to put. It's weird to put your right heel down and there's no floor.
Yeah.
All you feel is a void. Oh, dude, this thing's a certified ripper. This thing is sick.
The brakes suck.
They sure are squishy. Maybe we should go get some brake fluid or something. Dude, this thing shifts right into first.
I don't know.
Oh, we don't need to fix this thing.
That's what I keep saying.
All right.
I don't know really what's wrong with it.
As long as it's working.
So terrible.
This thing doesn't ride half as thing doesn't ride half as bad as I thought it was going to. Like, I was prepared. I was very prepared for it to be like.
Yeah, I wanted you to.
It can only
slow
get
quickly.
better from here.
Hey, Jeep Wave.
Woo! I don't know if she waved back. Douche. All right, as long as you're rev matching. Dude, this is great.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Go right. I want to go over these train tracks.
All right, cool.
Here, I'll use my right hand signal.
No, those signals work. Holy cow, this is great. All right, here, take the GoPro. All right. I don't know.
But I
Whatever you
still
want.
have to hold it upside down.
No, you can just hold it there. You can hold it against you.
There you go. You gotta hit these things quick.
Man, I don't want to hit them that quick. I don't want to break my spine.
Come on.
That was awesome. Left, straight. What do you think? Oh, we gotta go to McDonald's.
Left.
We gotta go to McDonald's. My treat.
All right. Woo.
This thing is awesome.
It's right here.
This thing is amazing.
Oh,
Nothing
God.
but smiles, dude. I'm like out of the seat. This is great.
Straight if you want. Unless you're going inside. You going inside?
No, I was gonna go around the thing. This thing is amazing. All right, wait. Do we go in here? Oh no, over there. All right.
I know it's tricky.
Dude, this thing goes in first gear, no problem.
I know. Once it's going, I don't know what the problem is.
No, it's definitely double clutch once you get in. That's crazy. Okay. All right, guys. So this Jeep is incredible. I cannot believe the deal we got for just 1,500 bucks. And there are a lot of goodies in this Jeep, and it runs a lot better than I thought. It brakes, it goes. He said there was some issue with the transmission. We needed to get it towed, but we didn't. You just double clutch it for the first gear just to get it started, and after that it's all done. So we kind of figured that out. It's not fixed, but we kind of figured it out, and everything that's supposed to work works. So it's just going to be mostly rust control, which is normal, and we're going to take you guys along for the ride. So thanks so much for watching today's video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye. 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 Bye.
Oh, see ya.